In this tutorial, we're going to examine how to create your own PDF files using free utilities that you can download from the internet. First of all, it's important to understand why we would want to create PDF files. Let's say that I have this Word document in front of me and I want to send that off to someone else so that they can use it. The only way that they can do that is if they also have a copy of Microsoft Word. But now suppose I use some rather odd fonts in here and they don't have those fonts installed. When they open that document, even if they do have Microsoft Word, it may not look the same as when I created it. By creating a PDF file, those fonts are embedded, and the only application that the people on the other end need is Adobe Reader, and that's fairly common. And it doesn't cost anything if they don't have it to download it and install it. So let's get started. First of all, there are a couple of utilities that we can use to create PDF files, and they all work basically the same way. They install themselves as printer drivers. The first one that I'm going to recommend is PDFCreator, and that's the one I'm going to show you how to use today. It's available on sourceforge.net, so you can just search for PDFCreator SourceForge and you'll find it, or you can note the address on your screen. Another one that is also good is Qt PDF Writer. One of the reasons I'm recommending PDFCreator instead of Qt PDF is that it comes with a single file to install. With Qt PDF Writer, you need to install both Qt PDF Writer, which is this free download on the left, and also this free converter. When you go to install them, you need to make sure that you install the converter first and then Qt PDF Writer. It's a good little product, but we've only got so much time, so today we're going to focus on PDFCreator. We click on this download button, download it to a folder where we can find it. Once the download is complete, we would simply double click on the downloaded file to begin the installation. I'm not going to walk you through the installation except to say that there may ask you for installation of optional software, and I would just avoid that and install PDFCreator on its own. Once PDFCreator is installed, as I said, it installs itself as a printer. So when we come to want to change this document to a PDF format, some people would be tempted to go File, Save As, but that wouldn't work. We actually have to go File and Print. And then we choose from our drop-down list of printers, we choose PDFCreator, or in the case of Qt PDF Writer, we choose that as our printer. We click on OK. We can see down at the bottom here that it's actually doing something. It's printing. One of the things about PDFCreator is it allows you to enter all these fields of data about the particular thing. In this case, I'm just going to accept the default. Click Save. And now here I can choose where I'm going to save it. In this case, I'm just going to save it in Documents, so that's fine. And I'm going to leave this and click on Save. When I do that, it creates the file and it automatically previews it for me. There's my PDF. Now I can email that to someone or attach it, and we're good to go. One of the things you need to be aware, of course, about PDF files is that unlike the Word file, the person on the other end will not be able to edit the file, at least not without a little bit of work. So it has the advantage of having fonts and formatting all embedded, so the document on the other end looks exactly the same. Its one disadvantage is that it's not easy for the other person to edit it. And that's as hard as it is to create your own PDF files.